Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from Spectre Comics. Taking a little break from making comics, I thought I'd try a little art project here. I've got a round block of wood. I'm going to apply some gesso to it, and we're going to do a little experiment with 3D painting. So the first thing I'm going to do is coat the round block of wood with a coat of the gesso. I thought the gesso would give the wood a little more finished look. It would allow the paint colors to pop a little better, and I thought it'd be nice to draw a picture on the wood. So I'm actually going to do 2 coats of gesso, and once that dries, so I put 1 coat on, I let that dry, do another coat, let that dry, and I also painted the edges and apply these 3D dimensional, they're fabric pens, but they come in a variety of colors, and I thought I'd give it a try. So we're going to use a picture of Spongebob Squarepants. I thought that'd be a pretty simple thing to draw, and it comes in a variety of colors, so we're going to start applying it. I want to see how it is to work with these pens. I've seen some other videos. Look like a fun project. Now, it's really hard to get a good flow with these pens. It's hard to get a nice line because what happens is you're drawing and you're squeezing the pen at the same time, and your pressure's not always going to be the same, so it comes out blotchy. It's a little frustrating to work with. I was hoping it would be a little easier, but as I'm squeezing these pens with the paint inside and the little nib, it comes out just splotchy, every color. I can't get any sort of precision. That's why the title of this video says disaster on the thumbnail. Trying to squeeze very lightly and it'll just blotch out, and then I have to shake the pen because the pen runs out of paint at the bottom. You have to shake it to get the paint back down to the nib, and it just blotches out. I actually shook the stupid pen, and a little blob of paint flew onto my face. I couldn't get black lines around anything that was really thin. So like the fingers, I just gave up doing black. I just had to do the major lines around the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Most of the black is in the mouth because the mouth is open. And the most prominent color here is yellow. Spongebob Squarepants is yellow. I put the little orange dots, which look like freckles instead of the little insets of the sponge. And it's actually hard to fill in a block of area. I used red for the tie. That just came out as a big blob. That was a waste. And I didn't have a brown. Can you believe this pack didn't, brown's a basic color, didn't come in. So I used green instead of brown, pretty close. And just filled in the pants, the square pants. Outlined, he's got a white shirt, but I outlined the collar and his little pant legs and his legs there. But it really irritates me. Look at his hand on the right. It's just a big blob of black paint. Just annoying. I did actually fill in the white. Usually in these, when I use Posca markers, I don't fill in the white. But in this case, because I wanted it to be 3-dimensional, I filled in the white of the eyes, the teeth, and allowed it to go. And here it is dry. Here's a little image from the side so you can see how it actually elevates. Now what I was hoping for was this would be a puffy paint, that it would actually expand when it dried, but it didn't do that. It just kind of dried. It has a plastic feel. It's very 3-dimensional. Kind of looks weird. It kind of looks like a SpongeBob SquarePants cake, like with frosting, but I don't know. What do you think? So that's it for this video. Quick one today. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. More art to come. See you next time. Have a great day.